All right, what up, y'all? So we are about to do a food review. Brand new KFC plant-based Beyond Chicken. Kentucky Fried plant-based. I believe they just dropped today. I think I'm the first one to order them here at my local Kentucky Fried. And I have been waiting a while. Solid 10 minutes based on my receipt. For them, they said they're gonna make them fresh, making them fresh to order. So I'm not sure what's going on, but we're gonna try some plant-based Kentucky Fried Chicken. Here they come right now.
Thank you for waiting, hon. I put some extra in there for you.
Awesome, thank you so much.
I put a bunch of sauce in there as well.
All right, perfect. Thank you. And there we go. Put a bunch of sauce in there. That's hopefully that means they're good. We're gonna pull up right over here. We're gonna jump on into this, man. There it is. Beyond the Fried Chicken, made from plants. Oh yeah, there's a bunch in there. So it's $6.99 for a 6-piece, or $7.99 for a combo. You get a drink and a side. So clearly, I got some mashed potatoes and a disgusting Diet Pepsi. And these are nuggets. So you're not getting like fried chicken. It doesn't look like fried chicken. It is nuggets. There it is. She did hook it up though. It's like 8 or 9 in here. I only paid for 6. Hopefully they're good. God, that's hot as hell. Why did I start this already? Let's see what we got. Bunch of sauces, just in case you want to do a sauce. We got some ranch. We got some barbecue. We got some honey mustard. We got some KFC sauce. What's KFC sauce? We'll probably try that. Then I got me a mashed potato and gravy. Oh, and there's more sauce in there. Good God. More KFC sauce. That's hot as heck too. I'm pretty sure that's just gravy. Ah, they're separate. Look at that. Oh no, there's mashed potato gravy and a side of gravy. I guess they just hooked me up. Well, thanks, guys. Appreciate that. You can dip your nuggets in the gravy for sure. All right, we're just gonna jump on into this, man. KFC Beyond Fried Chicken, made from plants. It's still finger looking good. Oh, let's see. Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat. Kentucky Fried Chicken is not prepared in vegan or vegetarian manner and contains pea extract. Pea are legumes. And people with severe allergies to legumes, such as peanuts, should be cautious when introducing pea protein or extract into their diet because of the possibility of a pea allergy. Whatever. Am I curious? Not green. Don't look like peas, it looks like chicken. I feel like hold on. And gross Diet Pepsi makes it taste better. So here's the thing. It tastes like chicken. It freaks me out because it's not chicken. It's clearly pea protein, which is strange on so many levels right now. But it tastes like chicken. It's not quite right. Like, maybe if I didn't know, I wouldn't notice these things. It kind of just tastes like cheap chicken. Like a cheap chicken nugget or something. You know what I mean? Like, a little more chewier than maybe it should be on the inside. But it's good. Well, not bad. It's real close. I just feel like I'm part of some experiment. That makes sense. And like, they're trying all this stuff out to see if we can deal with it. And then eventually, that's just gonna be what it is. We're not gonna get real chicken anymore or real beef. It's all gonna be made from pea protein or soy or things that are much more cheaper than farming animals. And I don't know if that's good necessarily, but that's not what we're here to talk about. I do appreciate the idea of options. Some people are vegan, vegetarian, but as I said, it's not prepared in such a manner. But I get it. You don't want to eat meat, but you enjoy the flavor of chicken, because who doesn't? Chicken's amazing. This is good. It's a good place to, it's definitely a good place to start. KFC has never had chicken nuggets that I'm aware of. So I don't know what a KFC chicken nugget tastes like, except for this. And it's pretty good. It doesn't taste like, it's not nearly as good as KFC chicken. It doesn't have that right flavor. It's not like a juicy chicken flavor. It just tastes like a nugget. We're going to try it with the KFC sauce. Like, it looks like a nugget. Kind of feels like a nugget. It's just not quite. Like I said, it could just all be in my mind. They're just real close. But nuggets are like the low end of chicken. Like, you know, based on like how we consume chicken. You know, fried chicken, chicken this, chicken sandwich, chicken breast, chicken tenders, chicken nugget. Unless it's like Chick-fil-A or something. That's like the low end of chicken. So this is, you could have told me these were KFC nuggets, not plant-based. I probably would have believed you still. It just is like a low end nugget. But it's not bad. No sauce about it. It's not bad. Will I get it again? Absolutely not. Will I recommend it to anybody? Not at all. But if you're, you know, for some reason you can't have regular chicken, whether it be health reasons, moral reasons, whatever it may be, this one for you. Other than that, no. I don't see any reason, except for those people. If you're gonna eat KFC chicken, eat KFC chicken. Don't eat this. For the price, you're not saving any money at all. It's actually kind of expensive. $6.99 for 6 nuggets. But whatever. They did a decent job. If that's what you need or that's what you want, that's not bad. If you don't need that and you don't want that, stick to the regular. But there it is, man. Beyond Fried Chicken, made from plants. I gotta give it a score. This is confusing. I don't know what a 5 would be. Like, what's an average? Is that an average piece of fried chicken? No. But it's not fried chicken, it's a chicken nugget. It's a decent nugget. It's not for me. But it's not gross. It just freaks me out. I think that's in my head. I mean, I just ate like 3 or 4 of them. I'm gonna give it a 5.5. I'd say it's, you know, slightly above average on the chicken nugget scale. Not fried chicken, chicken nuggets. If this was a fried chicken scale, this would be way lower, less than average, below average. Chicken nuggets, these are right in the middle, you know what I mean? They're decent, even though they're not chicken. So plant-based nuggets, right in the middle. 5.5, brand new. I'm pretty sure they just came out today. Hey, look at them. I make them talk. Hello, my nose is my mouth on this box. Sorry. KFC Beyond Fried Chicken, made from plants. Have you tried them? Let me know what you guys think. Am I out of line? They're not for me, but they're decent, dude. There it is. Boom.